In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Venn diagram in Napkin AI. Let's get started. First, I'll start by choosing how to add my content. I'm going to select the option to paste my text, and then I'll enter my notes about remote and office work directly into the field. Once the text appears on my canvas, I'll click the blue spark icon to have the AI generate some visual ideas for me. On the left-hand side, a panel opens up with various AI suggestions. While these look great, I want a specific format, so I'll head into the categories and select the comparison section. I'll click through the different visual icons until I find the Venn diagram option. After clicking the Venn diagram icon, the AI provides several different styles to choose from. I'll take a moment to look through these and then select the design that works best for my data. Once I click it, the diagram is automatically placed right below my text. Now I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. First, I'll click on the title and change the font to better suit my presentation. To make more specific changes, I'll select the diagram and click on Ungroup Visual. This allows me to move and edit every element freely. I'm going to change the colors of the circles to make them stand out, switching one side to red and the other to a vibrant yellow. I can also click on the icons within the diagram to search for new graphics or adjust their placement to perfect the final look. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a Venn diagram in Napkin AI.